Hey, I'm Axel, a voice from Revoicer. Today, I'm here to guide you through a very common situation. If you've forgotten your password or haven't received your access details after purchasing Revoicer, don't worry. This tutorial will get you sorted out, quick and simple. First things first, pull up your favorite internet browser, go to revoicer.app/user/login. Yep, that's our login page. Once you're in, you're going to see an option that says Forgot Password. Sounds like our destination, doesn't it? Go ahead, give it a tap. That's going to take you right over to the next screen. Here's where we need your help. Just type in your email address, the one you used to sign up for Revoicer. Got it entered? Brilliant! Now just hit that button that says Recover Password. What's happening next is neat. A password reset link will magically appear in your email inbox. Yes, the same email you just filled in. Oh, and here's our bonus step. Open your email. It could be Gmail, Outlook, or whichever one you use. The email from us, the one with the magical password reset link, should be there. If it's playing hide and seek, check your spam folder. Sometimes, useful emails love hanging out there. Don't ask me why. That's it. With a few taps and clicks, you're right back in control. And remember, I'm Axel, your go-to voice pal from Revoicer, bringing you smooth solutions for any little bumps on the digital road. See you back online.